Good morning and welcome to another Malta Network Resources video. Today I'm in Amersfoort and it's raining. It's a Monday, my second day in Amersfoort, and it's raining. So I'll wait for the rain to perhaps stop. It will stop probably in a few minutes, and then I'll try to explore the area. Just a few minutes and then it stops. That's how the rain seems to work here, unlike Malta where it starts and doesn't want to stop. There's some droplets coming down. Let's see if we can explore. So we've already seen the Central station. There are a number of restaurants there. You can eat there. And parking area, here with a car. It's parking area for sure, but anyway. I don't know if everyone can park or not, so that's something you would investigate. So the next few days are supposed to be better than today, which is a nice thing. I'll be going to another city tomorrow within the Netherlands. It will be my last city in the this Netherlands adventure. Let's call it an adventure, because I think that's probably the best way to call it, right? Oh well, let's stop a bit here. Okay, so this is a police station. I've seen the notice on the glass. Okay, the window, glass window. There's one of the buses passing, going to Central Station. So the street is Troostwijkstraat. Apologies for any mispronunciation. Always look before you cross, because you can have cyclists coming. What I wanted to say about the buses is that they are frequent here. Even in Amsterdam, every 10 minutes you get the bus. So it's quite a good service. I don't know if you can guess the city that I'm going to next. But you might be able to get a hint from what you can see. So let's see where I'm going to go next. I'm just roaming without a fixed destination really, hoping to find something which might be like a shopping street. Over there I can see C&A, so that's probably the best. That would be a shopping street basically. Okay, so let's see how I can cross. I can cross from here, then cross there. Always try to cross from the... Yeah, that's good. I saw someone press the button to cross and she didn't use her hand, she used her elbow. So that's a good technique. I'm going to cross also now. Okay. stone pillows. We have a C&A store here, perhaps I can give it a look. Let's see. Cribs, lunch, coffee, diner. Little Italy. Coffee, kebab, lunch. Little Italy. And it's another place where you can eat. So where would C&A be? Oh, we have a kind of a map here. Don't shake hands. Don't shake hands, use contactless, and don't gather in large numbers, and keep a social distance. So we've got our C&A. It's the entrance. Am I filming? Yes, I'm filming. Here's the entrance. That's like a square, right? Yoris line, and we have C&A. C&A is next. Okay, this is where I am. The entrance, there's Little Italy, and there's Cribs, and then over here we should have C&A. Good to know.